let's begin. So I'm here with Niall Moore. He's the team lead of the development team. How are you doing today, Niall?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
I'm all right. And how are you finding this great conference?
It's good. There's a lot of interesting talks going on. It's really interesting to hear what people think about different aspects of the industry. It's a really good opportunity to meet people and to learn new things.
And who are you looking forward to meeting the most?
I don't really know, to be honest. There's kind of a lot of different things. Like, I enjoy hearing about what different projects are doing in different spaces other than our own. Like, we're mostly focused on the cryptocurrency space currently, but there are a lot of other interesting projects that are doing different things, which I'm really interested in hearing about.
All right, so can you tell us a little bit more about Hycon? What is it?
Hycon, it's a blockchain. It's its own blockchain. It's not an ERC20 token. It's something we built from the ground up. Currently it runs at about 100 odd transactions a second with a block time of about 30 seconds.
And what's the goal? Where are we going with this?
We're looking at building something that scales. So from the beginning we've kind of built it with that in mind. Moving forward, we're going to move to a DAG structure using the Spectre consensus algorithm.
Brilliant. So what is Spectre?
It's essentially a way of ordering disorder. In a DAG, you can't always have fixed ordering of blocks because some blocks might come in concurrently. So Spectre allows us to give precedence to blocks that are essentially better connected within the DAG.
Brilliant. And how are we going to implement that? What's the next step in the roadmap?
The next step for us would be to probably implement Ghost, which is used in Ethereum currently, as that allows us to reward producers of blocks that would be orphaned or just thrown away. And once we move to that, we can reduce the block time, and then we can move forward with implementing Spectre, which allows us to reduce the block time even further.
So right now you've got 30-second blocks, and what's the block reward for miners?
Currently you get 240 Hycon, but the real way it's calculated is you get 8 Hycon per second of block time. So when we move the block time to, say, 15 seconds, for example, when we implement Ghost, the block reward will be halved, but the same amount of Hycon will be rewarded to the network in the same amount of time. It's just the instantaneous rewards will be coming faster.
And how are you doing the reward curving? So, like Bitcoin halves the reward?
So ours is it's kind of a more linear decay. So for the next 6 years or so, it will remain fixed at 8 Hycon per second. After that, it will go down to 7, then 6, then 5, and so on until about 50 years from now. The block rewards will cease to be given to the miners.
All the Hycon will be mined.
All the Hycon will be mined, and we'll be relying on transaction fees in order to maintain mining interest in the network.
So when I was going to describe Hycon in a sentence, I often say that it's on-chain scalability. How would you describe it?
Hycon is putting the currency back in cryptocurrency, I guess. It's actually something that is we hope it will be usable in the real world.
Are there any partnerships you've got in the pipeline that you can talk about? Real-world partnerships?
There are a few that are not 100% confirmed, but we're working with a prominent food delivery app here in Seoul to integrate Hycon as a payment system on their network.
I heard you're going to do an MOU soon, is that correct?
Yeah, we're putting the paperwork together now, and we're looking forward to signing that partnership and announcing it.
Oh, that'd be great. And when is Hycon going to be listed?
It's going to be listed on OKX on July 24th and on other exchanges, hopefully moving forward.
Excellent. Thanks for your time, Niall.
Yeah, no worries.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.